Hello YouTube and welcome to this weird video I'm doing right now. See you guys in a second. Today's show is about lifetime, the life of Rio the kitten, the danger, the fun, and the love. Okay, I'm gonna keep it on this time. Here we approach the cute but deadly kitten. He has been attacked by one of his own kind, and he is not happy. Here, for the first time, we get close to this unbelievable animal. It looks like someone has helped him out. They have put on a collar. He does not like being touched. The beast runs off. He lays down. Let's get closer. Its eyes are impeccable. It's a beautiful creature. As you can see, he does not like being... It must be uncomfortable for him to sleep in that collar. And he must not like that noise. Let's get closer to his side where he has been injured. We have got up close to this animal, and it looks like he has been injured bad, sorely. It looks like someone has put a tube in his belly. He's reacting. He has now turned around. He is now biting. He's now... Oh no! We have to run! Quick! We are now facing this creature called Rio. We can't get any closer because he will attack. But we can get closer with the camera. It might not be that clear, but this is the first animal. Well, the first kind. Well, the first actually time we've caught this on camera. It's a lifetime experience. Let's get closer. We have became very close, and this Rio creature does not seem to care. Its face is up close to the camera, but he does not seem to care. He will bite, he will attack, he will act cute, and he would try to be friendly. But if you get on his bad side in the morning, like not giving him his coffee, well, you will be dead. Don't know why I just said that, because it sounds so gay. And I know what you're saying right now, Molly Winter. We get closer and closer. Its eyes, its pupils, look deep, hypnotizing. He has food from his feast earlier with his family, from when he was eating some beef and some chicken and some turkey. But it was cat food, so don't worry. We get closer. As you can see, its claws are very sharp. You might not see it because it's hidden in his fur, but if you mess with him, oh, you will see him. You will feel them as well. Here. He has stood up. He's ready to attack. He stretches. Now he runs to the kitchen. I mean the South African place. And now We'll be right back while we watch him eat his food and feast. It looks like he is eating some sort of textured food he had been hunting for. I wonder why he's not eating on the plate. Maybe his owner put it on the plate because he couldn't reach it when he was eating the bowl. So he did it on the plate. Just a suggestion, I was just saying. You get closer. But when these animals are eating, you should not get any closer because they think you're about to take their food. And that's it. That's the end of you. We get closer. It looks like this little guy is struggling to eat his food. He spits it out every time he tries to chew it. This is a deeper look into its history, its life. We'll be back in a minute. It looks like this little guy has came closer to us to say hi. Oh, he's moving back. I wonder why. He tried to make a surprise attack, but it looks like he can't. He sits down to rest, to clean himself up from his big feast. He runs, or he walks, into a dark area. And that has been the end of this documentary about the history of Rio, the impeccable cat. Not a kitten, but thank you for watching. And now it's time to say goodbye. Hey guys, 1 sec, I'm just gonna do something quickly. Okay, the reason why you might think that was just fake, the thing in his side, but it isn't. I just thought of doing it so you can see my cat and stuff. He got bitten by another cat and he had to go and get an operation today. So they had to put a tube through it so he could have this medicine stuff, so he can put the tube through it so they could kill the poison inside him. So yeah. That red stuff on him isn't a wound, it's just dry blood as well, it's leaking, but that's normal. The vet said that's normal. And yeah, and he hasn't got nits, that's why he's wearing it. They only put him on him so he doesn't scratch or bite the stitches and the tube. So I hope you liked that video. Subscribe if you're new to this channel. Bye.